road in this area.
So, ito, yeah, wiggle. So, wow, wiggle. I hope I'm not stuck. So this is the road. This area very muddy. So you look at the road right now. So you have to be this area, you have to do your driving skills in order not to stuck. And the front is already done finished. So it's already done finished the stair of the front. Then the master speed zone is already putting the wall fiber cement board. So in this area it's already done finished this portion. So we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 round bar is not yet but already preparation the whole. So maybe tomorrow we'll continue putting the round bar this area. So that's the stair on the kitchen. So see that. So that's the stair of the kitchen. So we put the decking, so it's a nice and look beautiful. If we can put the decking, WPC decking, then we put primer, epoxy primer. Then tomorrow we'll continue putting the flat bar in this area, all the parameter flat bar for the guide of the wood, the 2x6 wood. So in this area, so we have a markings here. So that's the markings. So we put the flat bar from start going all the parameter. So we put the flat bar. This is the flat bar. Flat bar is 2.5 by 3/4. So 2.5 by 3/4. So this kind of flat bar we'll put tomorrow. This is the fiber cement board that I'm using. This is thickness. The thickness of this is 4.5 mm. Already putting for the walling of the master's bedroom. So we need to buy the door jamb so that we can fix the dimension. So we cannot estimate, but we have to put the door jamb. So is that the back, the another room here. So that's the metal studs. So we cannot put back to back the fiber cement board because we just to install the electrical in that area. So after putting electrical and rigid foam board, so So that's the time that we put another fiber cement board to cover the metal studs and even this area. This is the front stair. This is the front stair. And this is the patio. And the other stair. So that's the dirty kitchen. So that's the railings. That's the entrance. So we're just putting the metal paring for the ceiling, the PVC in this area. So that's the metal paring. So tomorrow we'll continue to put the C channel, the carrying channel of the metal paring, like that. That's a carrying channel. So that's the carrying channel. So all that will put the carrying channel. So all the flat bar is already installed. So it looks like, so the 2x6 will put in the top, then bolted, will put bolt, make a hole this, then so it's ready, putting all the flat bar. So in this area already done, installed all the flat bar for the preparation of the mahogany wood. So it's already done, complete, and even the metal paring for the ceiling. So next will be put all the WPC wooling before we put we complete put all the WPC wooling before we put the ceiling, PVC ceiling. So all the studs is already complete. So preparation for the window jamb, door jamb. So we'll put all the wooling at the back in this area, WPC wooling. Next week we install all the WPC until we complete, because we purchase only the 30 pieces. So maybe in this area, then this area will be the next another to purchase another WPC, and even this. So all the paring should be installed in the ceiling, and the carrying channel, that's the carrying channel. So I'm already putting the primary epoxy. So So that's look like if you can view in distance. So that's look like the patio and the house. So that's look like if you can view in the distance. So this is a decorative ceiling design. So I make this decorative ceiling design like this, order that we have nice looking at the ceiling. So this is the cube type ceiling design. This, so I made this for cube type ceiling design. I drop 20 centimeter from this ceiling. So this is 2 cube and the other this one. So 2 cube ceiling design like that. So this is like this, like that. So this is the ceiling design. I made it. So I will put the ceiling, then the light inside to hide light, then we put the pin light in this corner, this, then light inside in this area to hide the light. So this is kind of ceiling design to nice view if you are in the, so